A husband who lacks the skills to build emotional safety often poses a greater immediate threat to his marriage than the betrayal itself. Traditional conditioning teaches men to be stoic, to prioritize logic, and avoid the messiness of vulnerability. In a crisis, the immediate impulse is to find a solution and move on. He applies this mechanical perspective to his partner's pain. He attempts to manage her trauma as if it were a broken appliance, offering rationalizations to quiet her distress as quickly as possible. Attempting to solve a shattered reality with logic only deepens the wound. It signals to the betrayed partner that her agony is a problem to be solved, rather than a reality to be acknowledged. Betrayal violates fundamental relational expectations, locking the partner's nervous system into a state of hypervigilant survival. This process is best understood through the swirl model. It traces the movement from the initial shattering of reality through wrenching withdrawal, internalizing shame, and explosive rage. These unpredictable cycles often look like irrationality or attacks to a husband still operating from self-protection. He responds with the standard defensive toolkit, minimizing his choices, justifying his behavior, and erecting emotional walls to deflect her pain. Defensiveness in the face of a partner's panic destroys the only environment where healing can begin. It effectively removes safety from the conversation. True spiritual maturity requires a man to abandon the need to control his partner's reaction. It demands the development of internal capacity. Groundedness is the ability to remain calm and centered while absorbing another person's emotional distress. It is a state of being where you can hear her pain without needing to retaliate or defend your ego. Standing steady in that squall is a rigorous exercise of self-mastery. It serves as the ultimate proof of a man's internal discipline. This safe, unmovable presence provides the anchor necessary for a partner to begin navigating her own turbulent waters. To prevent reactive cycles, a man must implement the pause protocol. This involves identifying an emotional trigger and deliberately stepping back before a defensive response can take hold. By creating this space to process and regulate his own nervous system, he ensures that when he does re-engage, he does so with clarity and empathy. High-conflict conversations further require structured listening. Tools like the four-square method help categorize information as it's being shored, preventing the mind from racing to formulate a counterargument. Documenting insights and filtering out reactive impulses allows a husband to truly hear his partner's perspective without the interference of his own shame. These habits transform a man from a source of psychological threat into a facilitator of safety. Trust grows as a byproduct of consistent, reliable behavior over months and years. It cannot be earned through a single apology. Repair begins with a black box review, a fearless, excuse-free analysis of the patterns and decisions that led to the breakdown of the relationship. This review feeds the DPAR cycle, discovering truth, planning a response, acting with intention, and reflecting. This turns principles into daily training, creating a visible track record of growth. An imperfect act simply provides data for the next reflect, focusing on steady course correction. Trust is an architecture built through the daily, grueling discipline of repetition. Training the heart to remain calm and anchoring one's identity in divine purpose are parallel efforts. They unify the work of psychological regulation with the path of spiritual refinement. A man who masters himself stops trying to enforce a timeline on his partner's healing. He accepts that his only true stewardship is his own growth. This predictable, grounded presence creates the environment where trust can slowly regenerate and a new, more authentic connection can take root. Step into the rigorous journey of relational healing. Explore the tools and research materials provided to begin the work of reclaiming your integrity and rebuilding your home.